What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. StanceAddicts. This is your boy Minty, and today we got a special day. We got a big surprise behind this door. We're about to show you guys. I got my homie Trevor. He's about to reveal what he got. New project for the channel, and I hope this brings more people from that fan base to the channel. Check it out, because we're gonna bring bangers only, you know what I'm saying? Before I start this video, I want to start by this quote by Arnold Schwarzenegger. Success is not the key to happiness, but happiness is the key to success. If you love what you're doing, then you will be successful. Remember that, guys. Keep that in mind this week, and just think about what you love doing and don't stop. Now let's get back to this video. Anticipating to show you guys what we got here. Let's go. The new Subaru 2.5 RS here. My homie Trevor got it like 2 weeks ago. He's proud owner of it right now. Trevor, give a little walkthrough of it since you know most of the details on this car.
This baby is completely bone stock.
Everything stock.
Everything stock. Exhaust, air intake, everything, you name it, is bone
It's a big
stock.
plus.
The big thing is bone stock, as you can tell. And I'm really proud of that because I know it's been treated like a baby.
You guys want to check out the interior? Interior clean, smells like new in here. You know, look at the seats, clean. Has a little tear over there, but no biggie.
It has 114,000 miles on it.
And I know you guys are probably wondering, why did he not get a turbo one? You know,
I would have got a turbo one. Everybody wants to go turbo.
Yeah.
Well, that's why I was kind of iffy with it, because I don't know how the other person treated that turbo and that Princess. So I know that this one has nothing wrong with it. Bone stock, no turbo. That means I get to put in my own turbo, brand new, anything I desire. And that's what I love about it. That means more customization on this vehicle.
he got a lot of plans for this car. You know, he bought a few things. He actually bought some things without even having the car yet. It's more motivation for him to do it, you know, and it inspired him to even get it quicker than expected. And we were shocked, you know. Hopefully you guys could hear me, because it's getting windy out here and it's freaking cold and it's starting to rain. And I have this special filter on my microphone that's supposed to be good for the wind, so hopefully it's working. But this is it right here, stock as hell. Look, nothing's been done to it. See that right there? It looks like new. I mean, tell them what we're gonna do today to this car.
We're gonna put in a new shift knob. We're gonna put in a new Bride boot cover and some Sparko mud flaps.
Damn, it's gonna be.
It's not gonna do too much, but it's gonna
start.
be enough for right now.
He's gonna have some good,
Oh yeah.
some good goodies coming in, and
Can't say what it is.
yeah, not yet. So if you guys want to find out,
Stay tuned in our
stay
next
tuned.
video.
Next video, we're gonna install those things right now as we speak, but we're gonna bring it back to the garage where it's warmer. We welcome all you Subaru owners to subscribe.
Come look at our channel.
Come look at our channel, give us a chance. We're gonna bring in some Subi content finally. I'm pretty excited because I always wanted that. You know?
Oh yeah.
Right, guys, let's take this back into the garage and let's start.
Dressing her up.
Yeah, let's start dressing her up, guys. See you guys there. I'm gonna put this custom boot. Open it up.
All right, let's see what it is.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh. Ooh, what is that? Ooh, a sticker? Is that your first 5 horsepower sticker?
10 horsepower. What are you
This
talking
is a how to install a boot cover on your Subaru or any other car. Let's get to this.
about, man?
Ooh, what is this? Already know we got the sexy shift knob. Ooh,
Cherry
this is
red.
nice.
Ooh.
Check this out, guys. This is so nice. Ooh, freaking fast, bro. So guys, let's get to this video. Start installing this because we still got them sexy mud flaps over there. They're gonna install. We got a lot of plans, guys. I'm telling you guys right now. If you guys don't subscribe, you guys are gonna miss it.
Oh yeah.
You know, so we got that Subi content bangers only for you guys.
If you guys want to see if you guys want to feel the same love that I'm gonna feel putting all this effort into this vehicle, all these modifications into it, please look at the videos, subscribe, everything.
There you go.
Because there's gonna be so much content.
I'm telling you guys, like doing these little cosmetic things, it makes a big difference driving your car. Trust me.
Oh yeah.
I think this pops off, bro. This piece right here. I just pop the thing off on the bottom. You guys are gonna check this shit out, bro. This thing is broken.
Vision is advised, bro. Parental vision is advised.
Obviously, guys, we don't know how the freak take this thing off.
Oh, yeah.
We're stuck here. So we're looking at YouTube videos on how to remove this.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, first of all, you guys would just want to remove the shift knob. And then we're try to pop the center console out to get this boot off.
Get underneath there and
There you go.
the middle one.
I'll do this side.
Off to the next section. This
Ooh, nice. We're getting there, guys. You just pop it off. It wasn't that hard.
Move
Just
this
put it
to
to
the
the
side.
side.
And this
Now
baby.
this baby here. Easy. We got this baby out.
Oh, just
There
like
it is.
that.
All right, guys. We found the perfect way to do this.
I gotta cover it. So
Struggling.
gotta cover it. Last one. Come on.
Be gentle, but you can pop them off just by pulling on them. We tried a screwdriver, and it just didn't work for us. But that was way simpler. We finally got it out, guys.
Yay!
Here it is. The
There's
stock.
There's the double B. You nasty. You sicko.
You teabagged way.
These little things. These were the little pain in
Yeah.
the butts right there.
You gotta
Gosh.
save those though. Don't lose them.
Yeah, if you lose them, you're not gonna have
You're
anything
screwed.
to hold down here.
So now we're gonna install the new one.
Oh my goodness!
Ooh.
Look at
That
that.
looks good.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah, it looks good,
Alright,
bro.
yeah, let's get the new one removed.
You gotta keep this plastic piece in the bottom. Rip the other thing off. There you go. That's what you gotta do. All right, guys. We ran into a big problem. Fortunately, this is too small for the shifter here.
Yeah.
You know, the screw in
The
there.
screw in the hole in the shift knob was too small than
Yeah, so
so
before you guys order stuff, make sure, big tip, to know the correct size.
we remember we even looked it up, the
Yeah.
correct size, and then that's what it said.
We got some good news. I had a shift knob in my trunk of my car when I bought it back. We found this. Look. Check this out, guys. Purple. I think it still looks nice. It needs a little cleanup, you know, a little shine it up a little bit.
better
But it's like a metallic look.
better than that.
Better than that. Look, compare
This
it.
looks like a golf.
Dude, but this thing
club
weighs
shit.
like a bowling ball, bro. Look at it. And luckily it fit. Like, it actually fit. Trevor's pretty happy about it. He's not gonna go home feeling stock. And we're gonna adjust this boot to fit it nice and tuck on the column here. All right, guys, the little inserts are back in. We lost one in the making, but it's all good. It's kind of hard. It's gonna take you at least an hour, guys, to put these if you guys have this. Huh?
Mm-hmm. It's a pain in the ass. Pain in the butt.
There it is.
Let's put this baby back together.
Let's put it back in the spot. We gotta put it back in the spot. In. The
New
boot
boot.
went in there nicely. Look at that.
Where's the
The shift knob.
10 minutes. 10 minutes later, this thing has a big ass screw. You need a couple times by the time you're done. There it is. Ooh.
Yeah, there's a big difference. Let me get a better view.
Look at. That's how you know the ball's heavy. Before it wouldn't even do that. This needs a little love, but it's beautiful now.
Yeah, look
way
at-
better than before. I tell you that. I'm really happy.
It's nice. It's not gonna be the original color of it, just for a backup.
Yeah, this is a backup one.
Yeah.
Just get a-
He's trying to get a red one. But that does it for now.
Thank you to Minty SRT.
Yeah. We always got the homies' backs here.
Yep.
About to install the mud flaps. And you got the sparkle mud flaps from Amazon? Or
Yeah, it was
eBay?
eBay.
eBay.
I thought it was gonna say e-sparkle and like, you know, attached with it like a vinyl, but it actually come to find out it was a sticker. But nevertheless, it's still good. Same thing. Really, just trying to
Get the right measurements.
get the right measurements, so when we put them on, it's not all goofy looking and all weird, you know. So
we
we
kind
already
of got the idea where to put them at. These already come with their own screws for the mud flat stock. So all we gotta do is just make a hole through there and then just put the new one. We're gonna drill a little hole there because we already found the existing hole on the car, and it's pretty much right here. So we're just gonna make a hole so then we could just set up the first bolt. Like cheese.
This is good.
See if it fits. Perfect. It pretty much is because it's right there. Now we're gonna install it in there. How does this look, guys? Let us know in the comment down below. Dang!
Oh yeah.
She's gonna look so good. How do you feel? Right now?
I feel happy. Just one step at a time. Oh my gosh.
Dude, that makes a big difference though.
Oh yeah.
Is what we did though. We still need 2 more holes. That one screwed in the original hole. We need to put one in there, so we gotta find it here, and then we gotta tap it here somewhere. So we'll get back at you guys when we're done with this side, and then the other side, and then we'll show you the finished product.
Oh yep.
Go time.
Go time.
All right, guys, we're back after a long installation.
God, jeez, man, taking a while.
But check
Knees
this
hurting.
out. We got the bottom view of it. Look at the bottom view right there, huh? Yeah, that looks good.
Oh yeah. From these little tiny ones right here.
Those whack ass little ones.
Whack little ones.
Little Honda mud flaps there.
Yep, little Honda stock, little OEM mud flaps. I think I should do some more improvements. What kind of improvements? What your guys' thoughts are on this?
Just let us know.
Just let us know. And vision for this vehicle, but also the vision that I want you guys to see and be a part of. So that's why I want you guys' opinions and thoughts and.
Hell yeah. Alright, guys, we got this mud flaps put on already, installed, ready to drop it off. They look so badass, dude. It makes a big difference on the car. Check it out. Oh, in the bottom. Well, for sure, update you guys on a better view. You know, make sure to follow Trippy Trev. He'll post pictures on his Instagram and get better view of the mud flaps. Thank you guys for coming back, checking this video out. We really appreciate it. If you're a Subaru owner, please subscribe down below. You guys are welcome to stick around.
Make sure you comment.
Make sure you comment.
Thoughts and everything about this.
Feedback always helps us.
Yeah.
Make sure to share these videos because it helps us out and it makes us put more content out there.
A couple tips here and there as well.
For sure. And if you guys like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Subscribe. Comment down below. Hit the notification button because we got more videos coming.
Wait 2 weeks.
2 weeks, guys.
2 weeks.
We're gonna get this guy. This is gonna get pretty tricked out. In 2 weeks, it's gonna look totally different. And yeah, guys, you guys have a good week. Stay active, stay positive, and no negativity, guys.
Nope, just positivity. Positivity is key.
Positivity is key. Remember that, guys. All right, guys. See you guys later. Peace.